how to make animals. Please subscribe on my channel if you watched it. Bye! Guys, today I'm gonna tell you about how to make a pig, a cat, and a dog. So we're first gonna start with the pink paper. The pink paper is for our pig. So first you're gonna fold it into a triangle. Make sure you need it to make it really flat until it doesn't come up. I usually make good triangle, not this time. You have to make it so flat that it doesn't even come up. See? It doesn't come out. And then you're gonna fold one part into the circle and triangle until it doesn't come up. It can come up a little bit, and then flip it over and turn like a pig shape. And then you're going to flap the ears. So you're going to turn the other side of the triangle in the back. And then you're going to make this part go out. There's the little one of the piggy's ear, and do the other side like that too. And do the same thing. There, you got one little face. And then we're gonna try to fold one part. We're gonna fold one part just like this. You can make your nose on this side or on the other side if you want. And then we're gonna make your eyes with a black marker. Black marker. So if you want to make it cute, follow me. Make two sizes eyes. I'm just going to show you this. Okay? And then we need a pink marker. Here's my pink marker over here. And then you're going to put your pink marker onto your pig's nose that you're folding. See? And then you're going to make two little things. Oh, it's so cute. If you wanted to make some shades like that, the pig is a little bit shy, you can make a little red circle. And if you wanted to make it a girl, you can use the pink marker to make eyelashes. And if you want some details on your pig, you can do some like a decoration. So you need to color your decoration. I might hang a jewelry. I want to hang And then I'm going to color the red part. She's shy. And one little cute piggy is done. And of course we're going to make the cat face. So you need one yellow piece of paper and do the same as the pig. It's also the same, but the design is not. I'm going to teach you the design too, if you want to follow me, just in case. So you want to just fold the triangle, fold the square paper into the triangle until it doesn't go up. And then do the same, fold one part and but this is not the same. Fold one part to this side, and you want to make your cat ears sharp, just like this, until it doesn't come up anymore. This is come up, and do the same thing. The cat's not really the same as the pig, but now flip it over. We got a whole cat face. And you don't fold this triangle, just draw the eyes if you want. Now I want to do a cute one too. But it's gonna have stars in her eyes. I'm gonna color the stars yellow. And the eyes black. Okay. Let's just see the. Now I'm gonna make them. Just like this. If you want to make some dots, you can. And make sure to just draw some of and you draw the mouth with the tongue. And if you want, you can draw some decorations on top. Cute. Just to tell you guys, the next one we're going to do is going to be a dog. The dog is last because the dog is sort of ugly. Just to let you guys. You can decorate your ears pink if you want. And I'm gonna make some more right over here. And we need orange for the two sides. And if you want to make it a girl, you can add eyelash. A cat. see this cat? He's so cute. Look, the cat combining to the pig. They both are cute. And we need the same paper, and this time we're gonna make a dog. So first you need to do the thing. That's literally just the same thing as the pig. Same thing, okay? Same thing. Let's do the same thing for everything. So it's a little similar to the pig. But the last one you need to fold it back and then flip it over here. And you can add, I'm gonna add a heart pie because it's watching something. And then do some dark. So cute. I usually put some like I'm gonna make it. And if you want to be the girl with the eyelashes. Yeah, I'm gonna put that pink. And the ears. And the nose. But finally we get the ta-da! We're gonna show all of the dog. The first one is gonna be the pig. Okay, I'm just gonna let you finish the pig. Okay, if you finished. The second one is gonna be the cat. I'm gonna wait if you finished. The third one is gonna be the dog. Okay. Wow. You're gonna explain your favorite one to me. Okay. My favorite one is gonna be the dog because it's cute. And I'm gonna end your video right